Revolutionize your HVAC business with AI, boost sales and customer satisfaction around the clock. In the world of HVAC services, efficiency and customer satisfaction are the keys to success. But how do you ensure your business stands out and keeps growing? Are you struggling with managing customer inquiries, booking appointments, and driving sales? What if there's a smarter, more efficient way? Introducing our revolutionary AI-powered assistant, your 24/7 solution to skyrocketing your HVAC business's sales and customer service. This isn't just any chatbot. It's a sophisticated AI-driven powerhouse designed specifically for HVAC businesses like yours. This AI assistant interacts with your customers instantly, providing the information they need and keeping them engaged. The benefit? Higher customer satisfaction leads to increased trust and loyalty. From service inquiries to booking appointments, our AI does it all, streamlining your sales process. Watch your sales grow as your AI assistant converts inquiries into booked appointments and sales efficiently and effortlessly. And the best part? Our AI assistant integrates seamlessly with your existing website, bringing this innovative technology directly to your business with no hassle. Empower your HVAC business with the efficiency of AI. Connect with your customers like never before. Boost your sales and streamline your operations. Ready to take your HVAC business to the next level? Contact us today to integrate this game-changing AI assistant into your website. Don't just keep up with the competition. Stay ahead of it. Thanks for watching.